Good morning, I'm the only one up. It's a midweek sort of day today. I'm the only one awake in the house. I'm in my bed actually, and I'm working on that band demo that I told you about. I'm still going away at it. I'm trying to do an hour every morning before we sort of start our day. It's coming on very, very slowly, but I'm starting to get a bit of a quicker sort of sequence of cutting with it now. Anyway, the time's ticking away, so I'm just going to get on with that for a bit and I'll speak to you soon. We're on the train now, on our way to a group. Izzy's doing some literacy work. We're still going through this book that I mentioned the other day. We've come to a whole section about writing in the present tense, and it just seems suspiciously easy. I'm either missing something or it's in the curriculum to cover all bases for people who don't have English as a first language or something, I don't know. So we're just going to tear through it basically. She can do the exercises really easily. I think the main thing for us is to just learn the terminology used. Some of that is new to us, is the vocabulary associated with analysing the language rather than using the language itself, because that bit's easy. I'm well prepared with my sippy cup of tea. How are you getting on with that, Izzy?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's very easy.
I found a penny on the floor in the train, just as well with all these YouTube changes. We're doing a bit of experimental potato printing here, aren't we, guys? The new person in the vlog today. This is Eddie.
Hi.
What are you up to, guys?
Making potato stamps, but cheating.
You're cheating. How are you cheating?
Because we've got stampers, we just press it in, then we cut it around, but I can't get mine in.
Are they stampers?
No, they're like...
They're cookie cutters, aren't they?
Yeah. But you can use them.
So you're doing a question mark, and what shape are you doing, Eddie?
I'm doing a money sign because I'm like, I love money because I buy Legos. I'm going to make more dollar signs.
How was the other dollar sign? Did it work?
Not really.
Let's have a look.
Can I have that? That's the dollar sign.
Hey, it's not bad. Perhaps it had a bit too much paint on it. I'll try it with less paint. Is it a little uneven?
It's a little uneven.
We have an adult making a question mark. Hey, that's good for Doctor Who, is he? Ah,
yes.
Okay.
It's Izzy's question mark.
You are, babe. Oh, good.
Thank you.
Take in the middle out.
Oh, look, Eddie. It's come together. What do you think of that?
Getting better.
Getting better. Ah, now this is something we didn't consider. It's come out backwards, of course.
Well, it's going to be the wrong way round again, but it's the same one, but I want to do it anyway. Then, boom.
Cool. Have you tried on this paper here? Because that's a bit textured, that one, because this is
Okay, I'll
wallpaper.
try it.
This is upside down wallpaper. I think it might take the paint easier.
That looks good. Oh, that looks really cool.
Hey, that's a bit easier, I think, this paper, isn't it? Comes Eddie with his dollar sign. Take two.
Bye.
Take two shall prevail.
How's it coming out?
Done. Nailed it.
Not bad. Nailed it, yeah. It is now the evening. I totally just forgot to take my camera to IKEA. I've been there with my parents and we've been buying bathroom furniture. I'll show you them later and another vlog when I get home. And we're going to have a meal in Wetherspoons now. Isabel's trying to annoy me from the other side of the camera. What are you having for your food?
A burger and a Coke.
Okay, sounds good. I'm going for the 5-bean chili.
Bread bun as well.
I'm with my parents. I'm going for the...
Much bread and those things, don't you?
Yeah.
And then stick on the chips as well. They do a nice filter.
I'm having the 5-bean chili, which is what I always have because there's not an awful lot of choice for vegetarians on this menu of any real worth or substance. And I was just discussing with my mother here, we're not that keen on burgers, veggie burgers, because they're just dry and they're in dry bread and it's all dryness. Isabel and my mum are lamenting that the only free thing that you get refilled in Wetherspoons is coffee, hot drinks, not Guinness or Coke. Look! They've got paper straws again. That takes me back to my childhood. I remember. Yeah, definitely. Do you remember sucking on paper straws and you'd get to the end and it'd be all soggy? And you'd have to use a special sucking motion to get through the sog. The food's here. This is mine. This is the 5-bean chili. It's got corn mince in it, I think. It used to anyway. Izzy's having a meaty burger and my tortilla chips, which I don't really want. Dad, what have you got?
Chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka masala, and my mum's gone for a vegetarian chickpea, sweet potato and spinach curry, and she doesn't like the poppadoms, which is a good thing because Izzy does. That was nice. The sog effect has happened on the straw, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen. It's lovely weather for ducks again. We're in the car now, heading back to my dad's place. So it's later now, I'm back at my dad's flat. Dad's over there in his chair.
Good evening, world.
I would love to show you my ill-gotten gains from IKEA. Unfortunately, the mirror and the cabinet for the bathroom are in the car still, and I've accidentally left my toilet roll holder and my special washing up brush with the detergent dispenser in it in my mum's handbag. So you can't see them yet, so you'll have to stay tuned and see them in another vlog. Isabel's in the bath. That was... she's saying hello. Right, anyway, I'm going to say goodbye now. I'm going to finish the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you liked the video, give a little like, because it really helps the channel to grow, and comment down your thoughts below. Subscribe for more adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.